Hey people, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is inspired by this post I saw on Instagram. So yes, I'll be doing a very basic makeup look for all we office corporate girlies. Let's get into the video. As you can see, my face is clean and all, but I definitely need to moisturize my face. I know you've had this ad nauseum, but whether you're an oily skin girly or a dry skin girly, your face needs to be moisturized and hydrated before you go into the makeup, or else it will not come out good. Okay, so I'm using my face cream. This one is from Face Facts. Just do your usual morning skincare routine, that's all. So now that our face is properly hydrated and moisturized, same thing, we are going into our primer, not eyebrows, primer. So this is going to be very as detailed as possible, so you know the steps to follow. So when it comes to primer, I will advise you invest in this Zaron oil block mattifier if you're an oily skin girl. It will actually help you, but if you don't want to use it, you can definitely buy any other primer of your choice. You have to shake it because it's giving milk of magnesia. Using this flat foundation brush, and we're Gucci. So while that is drying down, next is our eyebrow. So I'm using a Davis eyebrow pencil in color 3 or number 3, anyone you want to call it. And I feel like anybody can draw their eyebrows, because when it comes to eyebrow, it's specific to you and your eyebrow shape. So like now, my own is a little, not too full, but it's still okay with, thank God. So I don't need to do too much. But the basic thing is draw a line under, draw a line above, creating an arc where your eyebrow naturally goes, and fill in the empty space, especially at the outer part of the brows. Okay, blend it all together. And there you go. I filled in my brows and I'm looking like a Nollywood ghost thanks to this mattifier. But I just want to clean up, that's define the brows. And I'm using my foundation. I know people are like, use a concealer, blah blah blah, but honestly, just use your foundation. I had no idea I was not recording. Thank God I've not gone far. So what was I saying? I'm using my foundation, classic. I'm using the classic foundation, but you can get any other type of foundation within your budget. Thankfully, there are a lot of Nigerian brand foundation within the range of 4,000 to 8,000 that are very good. Now I went in with my beauty blender. I previously said that it needs to be damp but not wet. When you squeeze it, you don't want water to come out of it, but you need to feel the wetness. Okay, yes. So I've gone in with my foundation on this side. Let's do this side, and I'm focusing it on the places that I have my hyperpigmentation. The key is to just press it in. Okay, dabbing. And please, I'm not hitting it like hammer, just so you know. What I'm doing is, let me not say very lightly, just mid energy. If there's anything like mid strength, I don't know how to put it. Not the one that I don't. Oh. Please be gentle with your face. I'm not using all my power to press this thing in. We've blended in our foundation now, and everything is looking seamless and neat, just like skin, as the foundation says. So you can leave it as this if you know you don't have dark circles or your skin is good. But I know you can't see it, but I do have dark circles, so I'll be going in with a little bit of concealer, and the one I'm using is from Adventure. So just a little of this, and my shade is Cinnamon 05. The popular TikTok format is what I'm using today. And honestly, I'm just doing it on my eyes. I could care less about any other place for now. I'll blend away. Now, time for powder. As a corporate girl, I'll advise you to own a powder palette. It can be this small size where you have a bright shade and a darker shade in it. So you can just go for something like this, a mini powder palette. I'm using it to set my under eye. I'm picking up my beauty blender again, going in with this shade here that is obviously lighter than me. That's natural. And then use it to set. Just to make it brighter. Also do it here, just to give a same brightness. It looks like I contoured there. That's what we call reverse contouring. Still on the powder palette. This is why I said it's a good thing to have a powder palette. Going in with this small brush, and then I'll use this shade to contour or bronze my face. Still on the powder palette, and that same bronzer shade I use now, that's Cappuccino. I'm using my eyeshadow fluffy brush, and on my eyelid you need to be careful here. I'm just going to use my black pencil to line my waterline. Tiro. They're coming in hot. Hot. Yeah. Lip liner. Davis in number 18. Nude lipstick. This one is from Carite. So you can find any nude lipstick of your choice. Shade. This one is from Blossom Makeup. Get that makeup spray. Let me just hide my eyes. Oh. So the setting spray I use is from MS Metics. Is what the one they call Silhouette, which is their matte finish spray. If you have your electric fan, use. Just fanning myself, drying it down, and also going with my sponge just to press it in. And in all honesty, we're done. This is it. This is the makeup look for all we corporate girls. Now if you want to go in with a highlighter, that's the shimmery stuff, you can. Although me personally, I don't like it because after some time it just looks off and weird. So I like my face to be matte throughout. So this is what all the corporate baddies do. Just something simple, not too much, but flawless. Yeah, so tell me what you think in the comment section below. Please, 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 I am begging now. I'm still on 63 subscribers. If you watched up to this point, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share. Honestly, subscribe, comment, like the video, share the video. It will go a long way for me and it will not cost you anything. Okay, thank you so much for sticking around to the end, and I'll see you guys in my next video.